wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pool cues. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the AbEarth Ergonomic has a straight medium deflection shaft and is a good budget option for beginners. It features a hardwood Canadian maple body and has a contoured grip with a hand-painted finish in a range of colors and designs. It's available with a case and tip tool, and there are 4 weights to choose from. However, the tip is glued on, not screwed. At number 9, the Champion Spider comes with everything you need to look like a pro, even if your game isn't quite up to that level just yet. It's available in 5 colors, each of which includes a carrying case, a ball cleaning glove, and a glue-on Tiger Everest tip. It's straight as an arrow with a textured snakeskin leather wrap. The case is easy to clean. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the 48-inch Viper Junior weighs in at just 16 ounces, meaning it still has some heft to it, but is light enough for younger players. It's the ideal choice for a kid who's shown an interest in the game, as they get a high-quality stick that won't break your bank. It's also a good option for tight spaces and sports cool spider-themed graphics. It's equipped with a nylon-wrapped leather tip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cues, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Viking Valhalla is a no-wrap option with an adjustable weight butt that allows you to fine-tune it to your playing style. The rubber bumper on the bottom will do a good job of protecting it from damage if you accidentally strike a wall with it. It's warranted against warping and offers a 12 to 14-inch professional taper, but the tip is overly hard. Moving up our list to number 6, the Viper Underground Raven features edgy Edgar Allan Poe-inspired graphics down its length. Its reasonable price and high-quality components make it a good value. This one's good for beginners and experts alike and is equipped with a vibration dampening wrap. It plays similar to costlier options. Halfway up our list at number 5, the classically styled Players C960 comes with a crimson maple shaft and a solid black double-pressed Irish linen wrap, giving it a premium look and feel. It provides good feedback and the tip holds its shape well. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. At number 4, the Viper Desperado features a striking skull motif with tribal elements. It's equipped with a removable scuffer and a 13mm Le Pro leather tip that helps to prevent miscues. The weight is adjustable and it sports a premium leather wrap and beautiful onyx inlays. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the eye-catching McDermott L65 is a professional quality 58-inch stick made from hard rock maple. It boasts an intricate green and black graphic sleeve with a lucky leprechaun motif on the base, combined with an Irish linen wrap that provides a good grip. You have a choice of weights, all with silver rings at the joint and impressive radial consistency. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cues, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Izzy Billiards is a 48-inch 2-piece hardwood maple option that's about as basic as they come, but it does come in at an affordable price and gets the job done. It's designed for use by juniors or when you don't have enough room for a standard length model. It comes with a linen-wrapped grip and a sturdy steel joint. It has a similar weight to a full-length stick. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Players Technology Series HXT15 is equipped with a 1-inch low-deflection ferrule that helps to provide a high degree of accuracy and control over the ball. It features a dark burgundy finished forearm with black and white diamond graphics, giving it a traditional look. It boasts a premium soft tip and feels very well balanced. It's available in 7 weights. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cues, or simply click beneath this video.